Okay. I am so excited for this video. As you can probably tell from the title of the video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I have been waiting for this moment for a long time, it seems, and I don't even know where to start. Okay, I don't want to ramble. If you guys want to skip this part, I'll link down the time when the actual unboxing starts. So first off, of course, I just want to give a huge thank you to Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Norvina, Natalia, and the whole entire team for believing in me and noticing my work, and just, oh my gosh, it's a dream to just be able to be on your PR list, and I am so thankful and so happy, so grateful to just be a part of the Anastasia Beverly Hills family. I honestly, there's not enough words to express how thankful I am and how excited I am for this opportunity and this partnership with you guys. So I very much look forward to this new journey, and I am so ecstatic, and I can't wait to share it with you guys, my subscribers, and any newcomers that have discovered my channel. Thank you guys as well. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I love you guys. So let's just get started to unboxing this video, because I'm pretty sure that's why you clicked on this video, right? So let me first show you the box. So here's the box. Oh my gosh. It's actually pretty heavy. This is the package. I have been waiting like a long time, plus a few extra days, because I just like a few hours ago, I just came back from LA, and because I was off to LA, it actually shipped when I was leaving. So I had to wait and put it on hold at like a facility at FedEx. And then now that I came home, I went like straight to the FedEx place and picked this baby up. So I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't even, like, at the same time, I don't want to open it, because once I open it, I don't know, it's like, it's real. Even though I have the package right in front of me. And excuse the whole natural chill look. Like I said, I just came home from LA. As everyone knows, Norvina was putting out a PR search, and I found it through Twitter. Long story short, I mean, after like weeks of turning in looks and just tweeting her and, you know, trying or hoping and wishing that I would get noticed, I finally did it. And honestly, I was so surprised. I honestly did not expect to be noticed, because there were thousands and thousands and thousands of people entering, and their artwork was so amazing, and I was just like, wow, like I would not be surprised if I didn't make it, because there's just so many talented people, and I don't know, and it was so crazy when I got the email. I legit thought I wasn't gonna get it, and then one day I opened my email and there it was. So I was very ecstatic and just really happy. If you guys know me, I've been like into makeup for like over a decade now, and to be in a major PR list, that is like a huge accomplishment, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm just so proud of everyone who, you know, got on the list, and just seeing everyone's artwork. It was very eye-opening and just very nice, and I'm really glad that also throughout this PR search I've met some really great people. As some of you know, there are like group chats that were created, and I still talk to them just chatting about random things. So it's pretty awesome what this PR search like did for me personally. Okay, so I finally opened the box, and I honestly don't know how I'm gonna do this because I don't have a table, but, and then the first thing I see are brushes. Oh my gosh, wow. I didn't think I would get so emotional. Okay. We got face brushes, we got eye brushes. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so awesome. I've been wanting new brushes. I have the only brush set, like major brush set that I have is from BH Cosmetics, and that's because of Barbara. Thank you, Barbara. So I've been wanting to get like another like set of brushes, and I finally got a lot, and I'm so thankful. Oh my gosh. Well, I think I should just show you guys what I got because this video is gonna be way too long, or maybe I'll do a part 2. But yeah, so this is the first thing I saw. Brushes. Yay! I got it. Okay, I got it. I got the pin. Okay, so I did not know that people were getting pins, and this is how it looks like. So cute. I'm so sorry if I sound annoying or just loud, or I'm sorry, but I am so excited. If you guys know me, I collect pins. Just from all over the place. Wherever I go, I try to look for a pin, and it's really cool how they sent a pin to the PR recipients. So I found that really cute, and it's just funny because I collect pins myself. The next thing we have is this really cute keychain, and then we have the beauty sponge. And like most people said, I did not know they have beauty sponges, but here we go. As you can see, it has the logo on it right there. Really cute. Oh my gosh, I'm like shaking right now. I don't know why. I haven't like felt this excited in a long time. And the next thing okay, hold on. I actually got, okay, sorry. The next thing we have is this. These are the palettes. I love the bubble wrap. They're like giant bubble wrap, and I love giant things. That's what she said. So first I got this palette. And it's the colorful ones, the colorful shadows. I am so excited to use these. The next one I got is this really nice neutral warm tone palette, which is definitely my type of colors. Very beautiful colors. I cannot wait to play with this one. This color is speaking to me. That is a gorgeous color. Oh my goodness. And this is my first like This is my first customizable palette, so I'm really excited that I was able to get my hands on that. And then they sent me a smaller one shadow, and it's a really nice, I want to say like a gunmetal color, and the empty pans, which I can't wait to fill in with more. Oh, okay, so this is the part that I was super excited about. And the next thing my gosh, I got the Dream highlighter palette. Oh, I am so excited to use this. I did not think I was gonna get this, but oh my gosh. And I got the Moonchild palette. I got the Sugar Glow Kit. Oh, I love these colors. I feel like all of these would fit my skin tone, and especially when summer's coming up, I can use the darker shades for sure. Okay, the next thing I have is a sharpener, and it's super cute. I can't wait to use this. I have a few sharpeners, but they've been like broken for the longest time, so I'm actually pretty excited to get a new one. The next thing is the highlighters. Holy smokes, I got all 3. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you guys probably already seen this like hundreds of times, but I'm still excited. This is the So Hollywood, and then this is Snowflake, and then we have Sunset Aura. And I am definitely going to be doing swatching videos and trying them on, and I will be definitely doing swatching videos and obviously using these in my future makeup tutorials, so definitely keep out on a look for that. And then we have the dewy set. Yay! I am so excited to use this. I've been seeing so many like videos and tutorials on this, and on Anastasia Beverly Hills Twitter, they always like give like tips on how to like use like certain products, and this was one of them. So I really want to try those tips that I've saved. Yes! So we have here the scissors, which is awesome. I have been wanting some scissors specifically to trim my eyebrows, and I finally got some. And then these I was actually really looking forward to as well. They are the stencils, and I've never used stencils before, so that will be a very interesting day of learning of how to use these stencils. And then they gave some tweezers, yay! Brow powder. This is in the shade dark brown. And here we have more brow products. This is, oh, I believe one of them is a gel liner. Yeah, so this is the Jet Waterproof Cream Color, and then we have a dark brown brow pomade, which is awesome because I am running low on the one that I have. Okay, oh wow, I didn't realize how thick these were. These are the blushes, and lately I've been so into blushes, and I absolutely love that packaging. Very, very cute. So this is the shade, the Trio Blush Party. And then we have Pink Passion, and it looks like this. Very nice colors. And then we have some bronzer. These are actually pretty heavy. I did not expect these to be heavy. Wow, and that packaging though, it's so cool. It's almost like you see the holographic logos, but then it's like they put a layer of glass or like clear plastic over it, so that's a really nice detail. So we have two bronzers. We have Rich Amber, and then we have Tawny right here. So these are the two bronzers. Next, we have more brow products, yay! And there's one that I've been looking forward to trying. So we have the Dip Brow Gel, and this is in the shade dark brown. And then we have a brow definer, a brow pencil, and we have a brow wiz. Oh, and we have a waterproof gel liner, if it'll focus. A brow gel. Fun fact, my first like two brow products were from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it was like a sample size, I believe, and it was just given to me by my aunt, and it was the sample size of the like brow pencil highlighter and then the brow gel. That was like years ago, so I'm really excited to try the brow gel again because I absolutely loved it the first time I tried it. We have more brushes. These are the brow brushes, and as you can see here, I am super excited to use these. I wonder if, yeah, I have the number 12 brush. I've been wanting, yes, the 7B. 7B is the one I've been wanting. I tried getting it the first time I was trying to buy a brow brush, but they sold out, so I went with the 12. So I'm really excited to finally try it. We have the mirror. I am so excited to use this. I've been wanting like a huge mirror because I've been using, if you guys notice in my videos, I've been using my compact Anastasia Beverly Hills mirror. So I'm really excited to finally try this one. Hey guys! So the next thing that I want to take out are the, oh my gosh, there is so many lip products in here. Oh, okay, so these are the foundation sticks. Ooh, so they sent me 6 shades, and I have alabaster, warm alabaster, ivory, porcelain, warm porcelain, warm ivory. Since it's almost like summertime here, I'm definitely gonna get tanner. I actually just went swimming like a couple days ago, and I saw like my tan line. You probably can't notice it here, but when I was taking a shower, I I was like, holy shit, I got dark. So I am gonna be, you know, getting those summer foundation shades back. Yeah, see, I'm gonna have to swatch these and see what shade I am. But I've never used foundation sticks, so I am super excited to try that. I have the liquid lipsticks. Oh my gosh, there are too many to count at the moment, but wow. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to swatch these. And then I have some lipsticks. I have lipsticks. Oh my gosh, I would love to open these right now, but it's just gonna take way too long for this video, so I'm just gonna show you guys. Oh my goodness, I did not think I would get that many lipsticks. Oh my gosh. And then I got lip glosses. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. There is one shade in here that I have been wanting to try. Oh, I think it's Moon Jelly. And it's right here. Oh, especially because I've been like into lip glosses more lately. And then last but definitely not least, we have the palettes. The one that started it all. We have the Modern Renaissance palette, Prism palette, which was one of my favorites after the Modern Renaissance. Soft Glam, which is definitely one of my go-to palettes because the colors are absolutely stunning and they're definitely my kind of shades. And then we have the famous Norvina palette. Beautiful, beautiful. So excited to try or to use all of these and to just use it on other people. And then we have the Riviera palette. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am at loss for words. To be honest, this is amazing. I'm looking at the bed because that's where I put all the stuff and I'm just in shock. Like, is this real? But oh my gosh, I did not think I would get that many lipsticks, to be honest. And I did not think I would get like the highlighter palettes that I got. I am so thankful and so grateful. I'm literally like, after I'm done filming this video, I am just gonna sit down and just look through every single piece of makeup and tools that I got. I'm just gonna admire it. My cheeks are hurting from smiling too much. Oh my goodness. So like I said before, I just want to give a huge thank you to Anastasia Beverly Hills, Norvina, and the rest of the team. Thank you guys so much for noticing my work and my page and just giving me this chance and opportunity and just believing in me. I am so thankful. I don't know how many more times I can say it. It's just like an endless amount of thank yous that I can give. And I cannot wait to play around with the makeup and just create looks for you guys and, you know, play with the makeup on my friends and use it for a bunch of other things. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And of course, thank you to everyone who has supported me, my friends, my loved ones, my subscribers, of course, my followers. Thank you for believing me and supporting me since the beginning or supporting me now. Just your support means everything to me. So thank you so much. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.